Hello guys, Washerlad 2014 here, and this is the second washing machine at my old work today, and it's a Hotpoint WMD960, but the real surprising thing is, it's got a WMA drum. So very good.
Let's clean it right there.
Clean that.
Yes, very clean. Anyway, here's the serial number if anyone wants to date that. WMD960p. Yeah, it's got a newer style drawer for turn the drum. It's a silent motor. It's eco function and super silent. Yeah, always nice to see a WMA drum in these. I know Washer Guy 2002, this is one of your dream machines. There's a drawer with all the programs on it. There's all you set the programs by selecting these. All these little buttons there. Your on and off button, child lock, delay start, super wash, reduce greases, mini load, time saver and eco wash, spin speed button and temperature button, your start pause button. Yeah, this is an 8 kg, but it's actually got a 7 kg drum. Yeah, so this was a Hotpoint WMD960. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and thank you for watching. See you guys another time. Goodbye.